Okay, so let's see how we go. While I was away, I folded this big scarf into triangles, same as we did last week. This scarf is absolutely magnificent. Probably not really my colours, but without doubt the colours are stunning, and they go beautifully with the blue shirt that I'm wearing today for Do It for Dolly Day. So with the big scarf folded into a triangle, and again we put it up right up close to our neck. I'm just going to pull my collar out of the way. So the thing to remember with the friendship knot is that it's actually a weave. We weave the two ends together to create that knot, and I'm just putting a bit of a twist in it so you can clearly see what I'm doing, and it makes for a neater knot at the end. So we take these at the left hand end and we wrap it twice around our fingers, and you can see it's very clearly here. The two wraps are clearly separate. With the other end, again, I'm going to put a little bit of twist in it just so it's easier for you to see and easier for me to demonstrate. So a little bit of a twist. So the weave begins here with these two loops. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go under the first wrap, over the second wrap. That's our first weave. From there, we take it around the back of our hand, behind the knot. We come back to the right hand side. This time what we're going to do is we're going to go over the first wrap, under the second wrap, and pull it through. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So twice around the fingers, under, over, around the back of your hand, and then over and under. And that's created that knot. And from here, we just pull our fingers out and tidy the knot up. Just pull those couple of ends and tidy it up. Not the tidiest knot I've done in my whole life, but you can see clearly the two ends are woven together. And from there, just push it down into your shirt. I guess if generally I would wear this knot higher. I would wear it higher up here like I did last week, but it's lower. Ended up lower today because I wanted to take it a bit slower and see what I was doing so I could show you more clearly. But that's it. It really is pretty simple. So just to recap, two fingers wrapped twice around your finger. With the left hand end, the right hand end it comes through and does the weave. It goes over the first wrap, under the second wrap, around the back of your hand, and this time it goes over the first wrap, under the second wrap. Slide your fingers out, tighten the knot up. That's it. I brought another scarf. I'll do it again and show you again.